TurboTax and UFile both offer comprehensive tax software. However, making the choice to suit your personal or your business needs is the fine line between the one or the other. Today we're going to explore them. We want to know what features they have and what benefits they offer. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, so let's dive into TurboTax. So TurboTax can simplify your tax season. It transforms tax filing from complicated to simple. It guides you through the entire process with expert support as well as a bunch of smart features. Let's explore a little bit more how it stands out from other tax software options. So you get access to tax experts, and this is always fantastic. You can get answers to specific tax questions instantly. Experts guide you through confusing deductions and credits, and you have a dedicated expert handling your returns from start to finish. They'll even ensure maximum accuracy and a refund potential. You also get expert guidance, which reduces your audit risk. Complex tax situations can become more manageable with a more professional oversight. You get reviews of your information. So the system actually automatically scans your tax details for opportunities. You get personalized suggestions which appear based on your unique situation, and you can find deductions and credits you might have missed. Also, you get double checks that your returns are free of errors before submitting. And having a look at one or two of their drawbacks over here, you can expect their pricing to be quite high. We're having a look at UFile now. So UFile is very, very good tax software. UFile helps Canadians file taxes with confidence. The software actually combines automation, comprehensive form support, and error deduction to streamline your tax preparation experience. Let's have a look at a few more options that they have. They have an auto-fill my return, so you can connect securely and you can authorize a secure connection to CRA. You can import documents. This means you get to automatically download T4s, T5s, and other tax slips. And then also you can populate forms. Information appears in the right section of your return, which is all automated. Also, they have a comprehensive form support. So you get your personal income, which is the T4 employment income and benefits form. You also get the business income reporting forms, the rental and investment property forms, and you also get the capital gains and dividend reporting. So all of this in one place. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for the best software, my advice is always to go and use the software. Have a real life first-hand experience with the software and see if it actually works in your specific scenario. If this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video.